guys. Yun yung sa likuran ko, si Tami yan. I love you, love.
MaryAnn, you got oil by jacket.
Ang daming string beans. Grabe. Doon sa likuran.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hey guys. Let me bring my raincoat. Kasi alis na kami guys. Maayong aga sa inyong lahat dyan. Nagmamadali lang kami.
You with me, but you don't want to drive the car ever.
Where is your thing, love?
Okay.
Your top of that thing. A coat, okay. Oh, don't forget your coffee. You're not going with us. Tingnan nyo guys, gustong sumama. You stay. Mama will be right back. Takot man ito guys, takot. Kasi nag-thunderstorm. Look.
You'll be fine, big girl.
It's no thunderstorm tonight, right? Yeah, early like later.
Well, look, girl, afternoon.
We will be right back, love. Bye-bye. Okay, hando na siya. Alis na siya. Ako na naman. Tignan natin. Dito sa sasakyan niya. Okay. Patayin ko lang itong. Okay, so let's go. Pasensya na may nakaharang doon, guys. So, and then pupunta kami sa New Rochelle house and that's it. Ako na mauna. Ako na mauna. Hala. Let's go. Nandito lahat na. Car key. Brush your hair. I love you. Drive careful. I close it already. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, my gas is still okay. Guys, mauna na ako sa kanya kasi magkita kami sa New Rochelle. Kasi we have to drive one car. Wala talaga guys. Anyway guys, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan. Pasensya na sa commotion kasi grabe yung kabisi. Pinakain ko yung bumangon ako. The first thing I did is feed the kids, talk to my family too kasi so ginawa ko na yan lahat, hilamos, toothbrush, kape. Hindi ko nga tinapos yung kape ni Tami, probably he doesn't bring it. Kasi 9 o'clock, iwan ko bakit ang aga ng misa. At saka viewing 9 to 9:30 and then pagkatapos niyan doon na sa simbahan. Nakakaloka. Dalawang araw lang kasi dito guys kapag for example, ganyan pangyayari. First is, 4 hours, 5 hours viewing. Pumunta nga yung niya, nung unang asawa niya, andun din. Yung unang asawa. And, so yun, the second day is, siya, very short viewing to say goodbye. And, after that, pagkatapos niyan, wala na. Na siya, sa simbahan, and then pagkatapos niyan, kukunin na siya. Hindi siya dalhin sa cemetery guys kasi i-cremate. So yun. Hubag yung mata ko kasi hala, my husband. Hello? Hold on. Ay, itong asawa ko. Han, what happened?
Nothing. I tried to call you to let you know annual calls. I said, if you're working, we can drive MaryAnn back up. And it's too late. She's ready.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to because I want.
You said you can take one car and we can drive. No, it was nice.
No signal. I will talk to you later because we're cutting off.
Where are you? I don't see.
I'm already here. I'm close to the whatever is this long road here.
So you're already home? Have you?
Yeah. I will call you later when we're good in signal. Bye-bye.
Tap now to organize your...
Drive careful.
Yeah, I try.
Are you even listening something?
Hey, I'm listening to the same thing that was boring you last night too. You know, all the music industry stuff.
That's pretty boring.
It is and it's not. If you really listen to it, it's not really boring. It's an insider telling you, what goes on in that industry. And after the music industry, then they go to the movie industry. It's like it's a I am behind here because I got a lot of cars in front of me. Like both lanes stop.
Taconic Parkway, New York City, Albany. That's where I am now.
Okay, so I think you're one exit from you. I think that's one exit from you.
Yeah. Oh my God, guys. Traffic. Oh my goodness. Hindi kami makarating nito on time. Kasi ulan. Wala. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yan ang taas ng traffic. Hindi nyo nakikita pero ang daming traffic talaga. So, hindi kami aabot nito. It's already 8:10. So, hindi tayo aabot.
Yeah, we're going nowhere in a hurry here.
Yeah, look at this traffic, guys. It's crazy. And Tommy just behind me. This yellow truck in here, do you see the yellow truck?
With the pipes on top.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was the one I was talking about.
Okay. Just
I'm
past
like,
me.
I'm like 10 cars behind him. Or I was 10 cars behind him. Now I don't see him no more. So I get a big white small van.
Okay. Yeah, it's freaking crazy.
I'm in the left lane and it's moving. It's not moving in the direction. It's only 9:30, so I don't know. Don't be nice. Be tight.
Nasa,
Not big 9.
nasa,
No way will you get there by 9.
nasa likuran si Tommy, guys. Yun yung sa likuran ko, si Tommy yan.
Hopefully I can be 9:30.
Nauna ako sa kanya, guys. Andito na ako, guys, pero dapat siya mauna sa mauna siya sa driveway. Nag-iba kasi yung route niya. Ang tagal. Sabi ko, so, dito na lang tayo na route, hindi man sumunod. Oh, wala pa, Ang tagal. Guys, alam nyo, guys, yung naramdaman ko ngayon, guys, is dito, masakit siya dito talaga. And then yung vein ko nag-pop up, iba siya dito kaysa dito. Nag-pop up yung vein ko. At saka masakit siya, guys. Masakit. And oh my God, hindi ko alam. At kailangan kong umihi. Kasi ito yung gagamitin namin. And then yung sasakyan niya dito lang sa bahay ni Bianan. Tignan nyo ang tagal niya. Let's go. Okay. Backing tayo, backing. Okay, let's go pee. Shut that off. Nakaihi na tayo, guys. Hindi ko nga natawagan yung family ko dahil sa traffic talaga. Oh God. Look at my baby. Kahapon guys, sobrang guwapo. You have your hairbrush?
No.
It's in the car?
Yeah.
Go get it. Your cell phone, everything? Oh my god, my car is wet. Kahapon sobrang gwapong-gwapo ako kasi naka-suit ba? Naka-forma. Ngayon naka-forma na naman. Hindi ako naka-picture kahapon kasi sobrang tik yung oras, bilisan at saka nahihiya akong mag-vlog doon. Okay. Hi guys, so that was a quick guys. That was a quick viewing
Yeah, well, when we got here, I was late.
and who parked this? Okay, I parked it already. So ngayon papunta na kami sa church, and then after that Tommy have to park this car and then maghintay siya sa, how do you call that, honey?
Older.
Yung dadalhan ng casket. So yun siya. Basang-basa yung sapatos ko guys. Tapos na yung service pala. Tapos na yung service and yun, kinuha na yung katawan niya. At saka grabe yung iyak ng yung pamangkin ni Tommy na bata, yung anak niya. Mas mataas pa sa akin. Grabe yung iyak na iyak ako. Naawa ako sa bata. Nakakaawa. Nandun sila. Yung mata ko naiyak din ako. Ay grabe. Nakakaawa kasi yung anak nila guys. Yung anak nila. Naawa ako kasi yun, hindi siya umiyak. Yung parang tinatago niya yung naramdaman niya. At so ngayon na last na parang farewell na talaga. Doon siya humagulhol siya Inalalayan ng mga kapatid. May kapatid kasi sa unang asawa, dalawa. Inalalayan ng ina, inalalayan namin. Kasi first time niyang umiyak na ganun. So what happened, love? Why you don't take off your shirt?
Because we're just going around the corner. We'll start all over again. Or something.
Okay, can you do your own shirt? Where is the out here? It's right there. Thomas, I can hear him crying.
Yeah. He finally let something out.
Yeah, that's why I'm walking there.
That's why I went over to him, because it seems like, I understand Melissa's very upset, and Isabel's like latched onto Melissa because they're both like so upset. But Thomas is upset too. He just is not showing it, and it seems like he's just standing there by himself all the time. Camera. Doesn't look like them. This is somebody else.
That's them.
This is the restaurant? Okay.
Yeah, but this is the room. Lumabas lang kami guys kasi ko tapos nang kumain. Look, itong dalawa na nigarilyo. Cigarette. Then sa loob kami. Sa loob kami kumakain. And yun, lumalabas lang pa sa baligarilyo.
Yeah, I don't want to use that. Again, first that's too tall for my voice. It's hot.
Picture.
But I would have to put a double plate on the top. It was good.
Do you like it? I like that. The string wheels. Did you try it?
Yeah.
I really like the
Very
string
buttery.
wheels. I like the string.
That's right, because they were buttery.
It's not butter.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Is that butter?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, or oil and garlic or whatever.
No, they were buttery. They had butter.
Seriously?
But it was drawn butter.
So he really did see it in front, in on top. That guy,
Yeah.
his friend.
That's when Joe made his toast. He was talking about it, and he was like, it was funny because he could get up to the top of the stairs. He goes, "Ray, you're fucking killing me."
They are friends, right? I think that's the friend that always help Ray, or what?
No, actually, the other guy, the guy that everybody was talking about, the drunk.
Which one? I don't know which one
The
is.
guy who came drunk and hit on Andrea or something. Like the guy that was pissed off at.
So pauwi na kami guys. Andito kami. Why this guy is stopping?
Stopping a girl walking a dog, really?
Seriously. Oh, it's going to park here. This is where the skull of Thomas. He used to go to. This is where I picked him up a few years ago. This one here. I used to pick him up here. He was elementary. And then using your big truck, your big car, it's like, oh my God. So pauwi pa ako, it's 2:04 na ng hapon, and pauwi pa ako doon sa kabilang bahay, sa aming bahay, and then Tammy have to, are you going to Costco, Home Depot? Home Depot.
ShopRite.
ShopRite. What are you getting?
I don't know. I just walked in the sandwich. I got bread.
So andito tayo sa bahay ni Bianan. Ito siya. Oh my God, ang sobrang dilim pala guys, yung camera natin. Tignan ko lang kung may sulat dito. Hindi na, alis na rin ako. I'm going home. I'm not gonna stay long. Kasi maulan na panahon. Oh my God. Okay guys. Just gonna say bye-bye to Tommy. Hindi na ako dito magtagal guys. Kasi alam nyo naman. Oh my goodness. And then Tommy has to go to ShopRite pa kasi kailangan niyang bumili ng mga pagkain para kapag, you know, kapag umalis siya patungong trabaho, meron siyang pagkain like bukas. Okay, love. You relax for a while. Did you turn your AC?
I don't know. I'm gonna wait till I get here before I go because I gotta come and change.
Okay, I love you. Give me a kiss. I'm not gonna stay long, you know that.
I know. Those poor donuts.
I love you, love.
Maryann, you got boyfriend jacket? You put all this stuff in the car already?
Yes, baby.
Maryann,
You smell
drive
so
careful.
good.
And let me know when you're home.
You smell so
How do I smell so good?
So, iniwan ko na lang si Tammy kasi naghintay pa siya sa kapatid niya, papunta daw dito, ganun. So, ako naman pauwi na kasi ng oras. Almost 3 o'clock na, and I'm still gonna survive with this gas. I will survive. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Who is this? Is this Angelo? This is Angelo. This is Andrea and Angelo. The banana. Come on. Let's go. Hello guys. Dito na tayo sa bahay. Sakit ng mata ko. Gusto kong matulog. Oh, tignan nyo. Wala si dada ninyo Tignan nyo. Wala si dada. Wala. Wala yung ama ninyo. Andun sa isang bahay. Hindi sumama. Roxy, come on. Come on. Let's go, Pepe. Come on. Go, Pepe. Go. Come on. Right here. Ang daming batong, Ang daming string beans. Doon pa, Hala, ang dami. Patay. Ang daming string beans. Grabe. Doon sa likuran. Dito din. Hala, ang dami. Mag-harvest tayo bukas, guys. Kasi ang dami, Come on. Stop crying. Come on. Right here. Misty, come. This way. Come on. You go, P. Come on. Go, P. You go. Muhilak man judoy. Para hilak. Meron akong ipakita sa inyo guys ba. Ganito sila dito mag-harvest ng apple. Nag-hire sila ng mga tao. So, ganyan sila mag-harvest ng mga apple dito. And, yes, andito na tayo. And then, nangyari dito sa tomato. Nagka-ano talaga siya, nagka-brown talaga. Ay, magbihis lang ako, diba? Kasi galing tayong So, yun, bihis tayo. And, yan, I'm going to take my oregano oil na naman. Okay, bihis tayo. Nakalimutan kong i-in yung vlog kagabi, kahapon, I think yun, kasi pagod na pagod ako, gusto ko nang matulog, so yun, at sa kagising ako kaninang mga 6:30, ngayon it's 7:39 na. I-in ko na yung vlog, i-in ko na dito, thank you so much.